International Society for Krishna Consciousness (SKON) celebrated the final day of Rath Yatra, fondly known as Kanglen in Manipur today, with pomp and gaiety. As part of the festival, devotees held a chariot procession carrying idols of Lords Jagannath, Balabhadra and Goddess Subhadra along Tidam Road. The procession began from SKON temple at Sangaipro and passed through several locations before concluding at the same point by taking a U-turn at Kwakatel traffic junction. Devotees also offered fruits and flowers to the gods. Speaking on the sidelines, SKON Secretary Banamali wished for early return of peace and normalcy in the state. He also prayed for harmonious existence among various communities.
Manipuri ke suama yang terang matan huida. Aku ni pernah masih loan nama bhawan ke baru ya bawa mangol. Jadi dengan kau yang lagi, dia orang dah hantar mana beri dia hai lagi. Pandang dia dah pernah, dah terjadi pada pada ni.